Instagram has launched Threads, and I have some thoughts. Threads is sort of Meta's Twitter competitor, for lack of a better description. It's a text-based app, and I've been using it for quite a while now, for a few hours. And here's what we know. Threads is a separate app, and once you open it and you're logged in with your Instagram account, you can log in there quickly. You can choose to write your bio from scratch or just import the one you already have on Instagram. Just so you know, your Threads and Instagram data will also be used for personalized ads, and it's written there. Future versions of Threads will be joining decentralized servers or Fediverse. You can share written posts on Threads, you can share photos, you can view posts, you can view threads, you can rethread or retweet. It's basically like Twitter, but Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, there's something you should know. While deactivating your Threads account will not affect your Instagram profile, deleting your Threads account definitely means deleting your Instagram profile. It's there in the terms and conditions. I personally think a bunch of threads should be called a string, but that's just me. Anyway, I posted a bunch of threads and app guidelines, tips and tricks that you can use, so do check out my Threads profile. Link is in my bio. What do you guys think? Do you think Threads will take over Twitter? Let me know your thoughts, and leave a like if you found this video useful. Follow me for more videos like this one.